Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to create a vertical scroll menu using HTML5 and CSS3. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the software itself, which is TextEdit. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application TextEdit, click on this and then Command S to save. Go to your desktop, start a new folder called Vertical Scroll Menu. Create and then change the file name to index.html. Save. Yes, use.html. Go to the TextEdit file, increase the size of this. Increase the font size with Command plus a couple of times. And now we are ready to start the programming in HTML5 and CSS3 to create the vertical scroll menu. Less than, exclamation mark, doc type in capitals, HTML greater than, go to a new line, less than, HTML greater than, less than slash HTML. Within this we need the head and body. Within head we can have the title if required to, but not for this tutorial. So we can now go all the way into the body and then insert all the HTML5. Less than H1 greater than vertical scroll menu. Less than slash H1 greater than, go to a new line and insert all the navigation bar. Less than div class equals speech marks vertical menu. Greater than, go to a new line, indent, less than href equals speech marks hashtag class equals speech marks active greater than home less than slash a greater than, go to a new line, indent and insert the rest of the navigation bar. Less than href equals speech marks hashtag greater than link 1 less than slash a greater than, highlight the previous line of code, right click, copy, go to a new line, indent, paste a couple of more times, and then change link 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 based on how many links you have available, and then end with the div tag less than slash div. And so the programming for HTML5 is done. Now we need to insert all the CSS. Go to the top. In head we need less than style greater than, go to a new line, less than slash style. Within style we need all the CSS dot vertical menu. Curly brace, indent, new line, the width, height, overflow dash y. Go back to the top. After width we need a colon, highlight, copy, paste at the end of each word. Go back to the width, 200 pixels, semicolon, height can be 150 pixels, semicolon, overflow y, auto, semicolon, new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, highlight vertical menu from the previous line of code, a curly brace, new line, background color, color display, padding, text decoration. Go back to background color, highlight, ignore the spelling, colon, highlight, copy, and paste at the end of each word. Go back to background color again, hashtag EE, semicolon, color, black, semicolon, display, block, semicolon, padding, 12 pixels, semicolon, text decoration, none, semicolon, new line, curly brace. Go back to color, highlight, ignore spelling. Go to a new line again. Take vertical menu, paste on a new line, A colon hover, curly brace, new line, background color, highlight from the top, take, copy, paste, hashtag CCC, semicolon, new line, curly brace. Go to a new line again. Take the background color and color from the previous line of code. After we insert a vertical menu, again, A.active, curly brace, new line. Color and background color need to be copied and pasted and then changed to something else. 4CAF50. Black can be changed to white. New line, curly brace, Command S to save. And now we're ready to execute and see the navigation bar, a vertical scrollable menu. Go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Desktop, vertical scroll menu, right click index.html, open with Safari, minimize, Finder, decrease the size of the text edit and web browser so we can then see both windows at the same time on a concurrent level. Go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page, and now we have a scrollable vertical menu which is also hoverable. Quit Safari, quit text edit. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.